Happy New Year, everyone! A very, very blessed day indeed. It's December 31st here in SoCal, California, guys. Here in Teasing Your Taste Bud, taking an opportunity to wish you all a very prosperous New Year. Naway na sa mabuti kayong kalagayan, in good health. Oh my goodness, most important is for us to have peace, be on earth, at ang ating health para magkaroon tayo ng lakas upang mabalik natin ang pagmamahal ni Jesus Christ sa atin. Maibigay natin sa paggawa ng kabutihan at pagsisilbi sa ating kapwa. Nagluluto tayo ng simple but extra special na gelatin fruit salad. Okay guys, it's a combination yan. To make sure na it will be good, I'm actually preparing my fresh fruit and cook it a little bit with sugar. And then we're gonna mix it with mixed fruit. Yan. Lalagyan natin ng mga whipped cream, thick whipped cream, at saka mga condensed milk, evap, at iba-iba pa guys. Ayan. Piniprepare natin by heart ito. Marami pa tayo doon na nilalagay natin. For the meantime, ito lang muna so we can actually do another video later on. Again, God bless us all and peace be on earth. Always remember, be human, be kind, be humble all the time. Here in your Teasing Your Taste Bud with your Pinoy Lakas. Love you guys. God bless. Bagyo forever.